Hello, and I hope you're doing well. This is the MCM Hunter, and today we're in Knoxville, Tennessee, doing a little estate sale shopping. So if you can, please hit the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the post notification. Let's get into the video. We are doing a little estate sale shopping. Let's go. Cool Gate City vintage table with chairs, $400 on that. I like that. Don't know if I can use it. Don't know if I can put it in my booth, but really cool. Now, as I walked in, I noticed the two tables, the Gate City table and this table, and basically how cool most of this stuff was. It was more mid-century vibes rather than mid-century modern. So this place has some antique slash vintage feels to it, which I really did love. So as we made our way through this house, we took a stop at the first bedroom on the left. Basically more antique furniture, not really mid-century or mid-century modern. That doesn't mean it was cool or funky. As you can see, just looking around, everything matched, which was super unique in here. So I continued walking throughout this house and made a stop to the bedroom to the right, which what I would probably say is my favorite bedroom. As you can see, it had that white mid-century dresser set. Wasn't really mid-century modern, but still mid-century, still some value to it. And everything matched, which I think is a theme throughout this house. But as you can see, it's really cool stuff. I don't know how they fit all this in that one bedroom, but I'm glad I had the chance to take a look at it. Very unique mid-century modern dresser set. You see it back there. And then there's the tall boy dresser right here. And then the bed, I don't know if you can see that pretty well, but $8.95 on the set, so 25% off of that for my quick math people. I think that's what, around $200 off on that. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna walk away with that, but cool pieces. So I finally made it to the last bedroom on this first floor, and as you can see, yep, you guessed it, matching dresser sets. This one was cool. Not really sure if that was mid-century modern. They wanted $295 for the big dresser, which I guess is an okay price, but I ended up passing on all the items in this room. Another cool mid-century set. It's more mid-century in here, but Virginia house dresser right there. $295 on that. There is a vanity here, and then a little side table there. I'm not really interested in it, but really cool piece. So I made my way downstairs to the basement, which I thought was also a very cool piece of the house. It had a lot of your knickknacks, paddock wax, small items, and it was cool. There was a very, very, very much of a vintage feel downstairs, which I enjoyed. Not so much mid-century or mid-century modern, but there was a good vintage. You had vintage trophies, you had vintage advertisement, and that was actually a really cool piece of the house too. So just made it downstairs to the basement area. So this cool little sewing table. It's a lot of kitsch items, some mid-century collectible items. So let me see if I can find something down here. Leave a comment down below if you think I should pick up something. A lot of cool trophies behind me, but leave a comment down below. So we just concluded from that estate sale. One thing I noticed that was a little pricey. They did have an Adrian Pearsall chair that I was late for. Apparently that had sold right before I got there. But other than that, it was a little pricey. I was interested in some of the mid-century items, but a little pricey. You know, it wasn't really any mid-century modern, but still cool estate sale. Still glad to see all that stuff out there, but unfortunately, this is the end of the video. If you can do me a favor, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also click the post notification. Sorry, I was distracted by this horn blowing, but thanks, and like always, peace.